Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After Bitcoin formed a local low around 103,500 at the end of May, the price action created a double bottom style recovery. From there, we've seen a bullish structure emerge, with both higher highs and higher lows building momentum. Even though the price gained 2.36% in just one day, moving from 103.4 to 105.9, it still hasn't tested the key yellow resistance at 106.5. That remains the big target if bulls reclaim momentum. Right now, Bitcoin is dipping into immediate support at 104.9, which has acted as a consolidation zone for several days. The price action is retracing back toward mid-level supports, and traders should keep a close eye on the strength of this pullback. The next key structural level is the yellow line at 104,300. If that breaks down, a retest of 103.5 becomes likely. But I remain more bullish than bearish. The recent dip to 104.4 shook out some longs, but the bounce back to 105.9 shows resilience. Today's price weakness could end up being another shakeout move, similar to what we saw last week. If buyers step back in, a push to 106.4 is possible later today or tomorrow. The 3-day liquidation heat map, which is my go-to time frame for predicting short-term moves, highlights 106.2 as the most likely level to be cleared next. This lines up well with a breakout above 105.4, which is the next major resistance. As for my position, I got stopped out from the Bing X trade I showed you yesterday. That setup had scaled in during the dip, with entries around 104.3 and 105. My average entry was about 104.7, but I'm building it back again now. There's a good lesson here. Don't trade yourself out of a good position. Sometimes the best play is to hold and build when the structure is still intact and the upside targets remain in reach. On the ETF front, we saw medium to heavy outflows by the end of last week, especially from BlackRock, which is unusual. Now we watch how this week opens up for June. A reversal in flows could support the bullish narrative. From a macro angle, renewed T-word tension between the US and China has injected some short-term fear into the Bitcoin market. Whether that spills over or gets shrugged off depends on how strong the bulls really are. I'll keep you updated every day, so make sure to scan the links in the pinned comment below. There you'll find trading bonuses and our growing community. Join the free Discord for real-time trade thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.